So this is the situation at ADC convention. A lot of chaos at the gates because delegates are trying to be checked in. Most people have not been allowed in due to the thorough checks at the security posts.
She's a delegate.
The situation at ADC convention venue. Delegates are struggling to get in because of the thorough checks going on at the gates.
Woman leader. I beg, woman leader. See, come here. Hey.
This is the situation at the gates, where delegates are trying to get in. The checks are thorough, and the process is discreet. Thank you.
Obi's coming. Obi's coming. Let's go. Let's go. Stop up. Excuse that. What's up? Let's go.
Welcome. Your Excellencies, the former governor of Anambra State,
and the leader of the OBI movement and the creator of a new order. Former governor of Anambra State, Governor Peter Obi, you are welcome, sir. We also have here the former speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly, two-time governor of Rivers State, former minister of transport of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, one of the very few ministers and governors that have not been invited by the UFCC. Right Honorable Rotimi Chibuke Ambechi.
If you check the indexes today, when the present government came into being, Nigerian ranking in terrorism was number 8. Today we are number 4. So if you give it another 4 years, we'll be number 1. And that is definite. But when he told you about our poverty, when this government came into being, go and check World Bank record, our poverty rate was 41.6%, 8 million people. Today we are 63%, 140 million. So they were almost double that. When this government came into being, we removed subsidy on petroleum, and the reason why we removed it is so we can stop borrowing to service it and use the resources to develop the country. But today, when they came in, despite the fact that the government before them were able to pay subsidy, they left with a debt of 87 trillion. Today, we are about 200 trillion. So they borrowed 130%. They're not moving subsidy. And worse, this government is owing all contractors. No project of 2025 budget has been funded. So we have huge debt and we have borrowed more and everything. We are heading to a disaster. The reason why I use these short figures is to show you we are drifting. We all have to work hard